Trading with CJ absolutely killed it. Guys, I was literally about to post and make another video, but I saw my guy trading with CJ, who's extremely supportive, man. Like, what the heck is going on? This guy, absolutely love him. We've never met face to face, but I just love him. I love the vibe, man, and he's always commenting and supporting, so I definitely appreciate that. But we're about to check out the video. It's about EZJ. I'm so excited. Why? I received a free share from Trading 212, and guess what it was? EZJ. So this lines up. It's like the stars just lined up. Everything just, I was like, wow, I have to check this out, and I have to see what CJ's talking about in regards to trading, or sorry, buying EZJ as a stock. So if you should buy it right now or not. Right now I own a free share anyways. So with all of that being said, be sure to watch the video all the way from beginning to end. YouTube is Ronnie MP. Whoop.
It's RonnieMP.com.
Want to join my free gift card giveaway? Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and turn on the notification. Then let me know that you subscribe down below. That's it. Hey yo, what's good YouTube? You know who it is. It's your boy Ronnie MP. Thank you and welcome to a brand new video of It's Ronnie MP, the show where we bring you guys a bunch of videos suggested by you guys and you guys only. So if you're brand new to the channel, then be sure to absolutely destroy that like button, because it not only means a lot for me, but it helps get this video out in front of like-minded entrepreneurs and billionaires and millionaires and trillionaires such as you and me. Okay, you and me. Yes, if you believe, you can do it, man. I'm telling you. But it gets this video out in front of like-minded people, so notification bell, ding-a-ling-a-ling, there we go. Be sure to do all of that. But I'm checking out my guy Trading 212, or Trading 212, trading with CJ his video today, because he's talking about EZJ, which is a stock that I happen to receive for free. If you don't believe me, I will dive into my phone and show you Trading 212 right now. Okay, let's log in and you'll see the free share that I received when it eventually loads. Thank you very much. Right there. Oh my days, what is happening with the stock market today? I didn't see that. Oh my days. Okay, minus 115. We'll talk about that another time, but you see it right there. Free share Trading 212. Sorry, EZJ, one share, which is doing decent, I guess. So I'm quite excited to see where that takes me. But if we go right here and I'll show you guys notifications, you'll see that the last share that I received was Smile Direct, but it's EZJ. Sorry, see that? Buy one EZJ. Yeah, order executed. It was definitely not by me, because it was given to me by Trading 212. So if you want your free share, as I'm always mentioned, or I've mentioned a few times, link is in the description. Click that link in the description right now. Deposit £1, chicken and chips money. In fact, not even chicken and chips money. £1 into the account, and Trading 212 will give you a share that's valued up to £100. So deposit that right now. Click the link in the description. Get started. Let's go. Let me check out this video. Let's see what CJ has in store for us. So before doing so, let's like the like button. He's my guy, so I like it without you know, even checking out the video.
One thing that I've missed this year is having that ability to hop on
travel.
a plane and go and travel to a different
I knew it. I'm not the only one.
If you know me, you'll know that I love traveling and having a holiday or two. But for the best part of this year, that has been off the cards, and companies like EZJ have felt the full force of this.
1000%.
EZJ is one of the most recognisable names when it comes to UK airlines. They was founded 25 years ago, back in 1995, and are known for being a low-cost airline delivering flights predominantly throughout Europe to over 30 different countries.
Wow.
Today we're going to have a look at EZJ and see if at their current prices they are now a buy. Please remember that I am not a financial advisor, so if you are planning on investing into the stock market,
yourself.
You should always do your own research first.
Do your own due diligence. Do your own research, okay? But so far, a few the lines already he said already. I'm quite intrigued. I'm very happy that I clicked to watch this video. You know.
As always, I'd appreciate if you could hit the like and subscribe to my channel.
Already did, bro. And subscribed as well. Come on, man. Don't tell me none of that.
Let's get into it. So
Love
EZJ
it.
currently sits in the FTSE 250. It was in the FTSE 100, which is the top 100 companies in the UK in order of market cap.
Okay.
However, it was pushed out back in June due to losing half of its value thanks to the global situation. Just like pretty much every other airline or travel company out there, its share price has taken an absolute hammer.
Plummet.
So pre-crash, EasyJet was trading at around about £15 per share.
Let's see what's now.
February, March time, it crashed down 67%.
Wow.
It then did go on to see a recovery back about June time. It was trading around about £9 per share.
Wow.
And since then, it has been on a downward trend. Now it is pretty much at those original
it sure
crash levels
has.
again.
And
So
this is
people
the real
missed
time.
buying at that
This is the real time, by the way. EasyJet. Down crash. Wow. This is insane. But
and have a look at some of its financials.
let's look at some of the
EasyJet currently
financials.
has a market cap of 2.4 billion, which is pretty
Huge.
good for a UK company, and it is up there one of the biggest UK and EU airlines. If you look at what its share price is doing, I know we've already touched on this. It's currently at £5.33 per share, and that's been pretty consistent with what it has been doing all throughout September, like late £4 and £5. It hasn't really moved too much. It did shoot up back in May time, June. We saw most airlines and travel companies start to go up around this time, and it hit highs at there about almost £9 per share.
I think
and since
it
it
should
has dropped
definitely.
back off, and it is now pretty much again close to the crash level. But if we look at what it's been doing over the last 5 years, it's been pretty consistent.
I think you should well, that's my opinion, but I personally think you should definitely buy a share. I'm happy with my free share, as you guys saw from Trading 212, but I definitely think you should buy one. Reason why I say that is it's bound to go back up somewhere somehow, because we need airplanes. We need to be able to get from point A to point B really quick, and a lot of trains can't really go from certain locations. Do you get what I mean? So you're gonna have to fly, and plus it's quicker. So I personally believe it's not a matter of if, but it's when it goes back up, because we're gonna need to travel. People love traveling. Nobody likes to stay indoors and whatever's going on around the world right now. So it makes sense to me, but then again, it's up to you. So if you get a free share from Trading 212, then let me know if you get EasyJet as a free share.
£8.70 per share, which is way off what we currently are at. And obviously we know the reason for the sell-off, due to people not being able to travel, basically. And at this price, analysts are giving it a valuation of 77.5% undervalued, which is absolutely
insane,
huge. When we look at the current price of £5.33, fair value being £23.67, this valuation is very good, and there's a long way to go until getting anywhere near fair value. And I think it can go up again in the long term.
Yeah,
Look
definitely.
At its PE ratio as well. It sits at 8.6, which is very good compared to obviously the market. We know that this industry is very low right now, 10 times what you can see right there. However, 8.6 is low enough to be a good valuation, but not low enough to be worried about this company. 8.6 is quite good because it means people have faith, but it also means that at its current price, you could argue that it is good value for money.
Yeah.
The future growth for EasyJet in the next 1 to 3 years is projected to be 94.5%. That's annual earnings growth, which is absolutely huge, and I will take that any day for my earnings to grow 94.5%. And I'm not surprised if this does happen and grow this quickly, because a lot of people have missed out this year, and if we can go away and there's even a vaccine by next year, then a lot more people are going to be going away
traveling
than probably expected. And if we look at the earnings revenue growth forecast here, obviously we've gone into a loss this year due to no flights, basically, and that was gone into a loss there from September time. So currently down 900 million in earnings, and it's projected to still make a loss there until September next year.
That's an insane amount,
and eventually again predicted by 2022 to be back in the profit and making earnings there of 281 million. And looking at their future return on equity for this in the next 3 years, predicted to be 14.5%, which is a lot higher than the rest of the industry. So the travel industry is quite low compared to the market and a lot of other companies out there. However, this is going to be a lot longer to recover. Okay, we're not going to see a recovery anytime soon. However, you can see here that it is higher than airlines of 11.6. So moving on to their financial position here. Assets 2 billion and liabilities 3.72 billion. So the assets short term do not outweigh the liabilities, and the long term assets do though. They've got a lot of long term assets, 6.17 billion. That's obviously all the airplanes.
Long term assets seems like it's going to crush it.
The 2.3 in liabilities. However, short term it doesn't quite outweigh it. But if we look at their actual balance sheet, we can see they've got the 1.3 billion sitting on that balance sheet, as opposed to 5.3 in assets. But the cash is what we like to see here. Cash and short-term investments,
1.4 billion,
which is a nice amount of cash and short-term investments sitting on there. So if they wanted to, they could use this to pay off that outstanding debt right there. And speaking about debt, if we just quickly have a look at their debt to equity, they currently sits at 63%, which is actually pretty good, especially for an airline and in its current situation. That is quite good. Okay, it obviously was a lot better. You can see over the years it's been pretty consistently 30% or 35%, and we have closed the gap somewhat this year, and it is now at 63%. However, I've seen a lot of other companies in a far worse position here. 63% is quite good, and if we add in the cash and equivalents here, it has been fairly consistent as well. You know, we've got 1.3 billion there, 1.37, and yet still 1.3. So it's kind of stayed around that in terms of its cash and equivalents. Just to touch on this, the dividend yield. Obviously, we know a lot of travel companies. Good thing about them is they do pay a higher dividend. And obviously, this is not paying a dividend right now at this moment in time,
which sucks. I checked. Yeah,
most of these companies will reinstate, and I do think EZJ will reinstate it as well once it goes into some proper profits on the table, basically. But it was paying at 8.24%, which gives you an indication of what it could be again.
And just to check, to show you guys,
quite a nice dividend yield. And the last thing
today, filming this right now, no dividends.
Quite good.
I've just checked right now. You guys can see it there. Dividend yield 0. EasyJet. So it is what it is.
Roughly the same amount of shares were sold as bought. So I'm not sure what that is exactly about there. Maybe that was some sort of balancing of a portfolio or something like that. But same amount were bought as sold. And then again, in the last 3 to 6 months, we have another 8,800 shares bought. And that is at a value there of 56,000. That's quite a lot of shares, 8,800. So, and that was by 2 separate individuals inside the company. So the main thing we have to bear in mind,
nice man, love it.
This is in the travel sector, so we can look at the earnings, etc. But really, I don't think any of us are predicting any good earnings from EasyJet. Whilst it can give us a good indication, like I say, this industry is pretty much shut down for the time being.
For now, none of us should be and it might even go for another year. There's potential, you know, because the world is looking crazy right now.
And I do think it's going to take a lot longer to recover, and it's going to be a long time until we see it hitting all-time highs.
1,000%
soon. So, like I said, this is a high spec value stock,
and it's more buy and hold.
This is a value stock because if we look at its PE ratio, it is extremely low, and if we look at where it was trading at and how it has been performing over the years, it's been pretty good. So if it goes anywhere near those levels again, then you are getting very good value for money with EasyJet. So would I buy at these prices?
Yes.
Well, for me, like I said,
definitely.
EasyJet is a value stock, and I don't see this industry going anywhere. Over time, I do think this industry will recover. And I already own shares in EasyJet, but if it was to drop to 500 or let's say like late 400s, etc., then I may well consider adding to that position. Personally, I'm a long-term investor, so I'm not looking to make a profit in the next month or year. And
in the next 5 to 10,
a lot longer
20 years.
Sort of real recovery. So let me know down in the comments below your thoughts on EasyJet. Is this a stock that you hold, maybe you're buying or adding to? Let me know down below. And as always,
doing
guys,
it live.
If you have found this video useful or interesting, or you just want to help me out, please hit the like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. It really is appreciated. Thanks for watching, and until next time.
To check out your vid. Awesome, bro. Thank you. Should I say decided to react / review. Actually, we'll just keep it react. To your vid on my channel. Awesome, bro. All right, cool. Something like that, man. We're not writing an essay up in here, but something like that. So yeah, it's weird because literally I'm doing this live. Absolutely amazing. But post. So let me just check. Okay, there we go. Got a free share from Trading 212 and decided to react to your vid on my channel. Awesome, bro. watch my video and it will make sense, because it might be a bit weird, like what the heck. Awesome, bro, thank you. Watch my vid till the end and it will all make sense. Oh, this is funny. But for all of you guys that haven't already, check out my guy, my bro trading with CJ. He's got a wealth of knowledge, as you can clearly see. And yeah, I love it, man. I absolutely love it. Awesome video, clear as well, and it just it gives you sort of a bigger image, or a bigger picture, sorry, and this way you can make a better decision, or educated decision on whether you should invest or not. Okay, so thank you ever so much, guys. My personal opinion is I've got the free share. I'm looking into potentially buying more. I'm going to see if it carries on dropping. Definitely I might just add another 1 or 2 share in there. Why not? And hold it long term. Okay, so let me know what you guys do, but link is in the description down below for trading 212. Let me know if you, as I told you guys, click on the link, open the account, deposit £1 into the account. They give you a share that could be up to 100. If it's EZJ, then let me know in the comment section down below. If it's not EZJ, then let me know as well. I'll be excited to see which free share you got by opening up an account with them. Okay, so thank you ever so much for watching this video. Check out this video right here, this video right here, subscribe right there, and peace out, much love, bye bye.